I
All
just took a
right.
quick scalp from 4380 to 4382, and I'm gonna sit on my hands until the bell rings.
Nice. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, YouTube. How's it going, everybody? Bullish Bears Kevin here with another live stream for you guys. Today, just like every day, we're going to be looking over ES, NQ, and the VIX. And as you guys know, we do have our futures. Our futures. We have our equities up here as well. And yeah, we're gonna be taking some live trades. Gonna be hearing my thoughts, my perspective, what we're at, where we're at. Coming up to a key level right now on the Nasdaq and ES. Look, that ES has this blue key level right there. Nasdaq has a gold key level, and we do have a key level at the VIX as well, right? So I'm gonna be looking for some type of rejection up here. Either a rejection or a strong push through, a retest, and then go long. So that's what I'm currently looking for. Ooh, I like that 15-minute on ES though. That's a basing right there. If we could rally for the next few 15 minutes, we might get a nice trend. So that's what I'm looking for right now. A trend on ES on the 15 or a rejection of NASDAQ either near, look, this is a 15-minute supply zone, but it's sort of weak. So that's why I didn't do a rectangle. I did just two trend lines. But we have a key level right above that zone. So maybe we break that, break this previous high, because that's where a lot of people's stops are, stop hunt, and then reject that key level. So we're really going to be keeping an eye on that. And let's take a look at Bookmap real quick. Looks like 43.84 is a little heavy, not the heaviest. When's market open? About 45 seconds. You guys want me to keep Bookmap up for the first market open so we can see how it moves with the stronger volume?
Sure.
Cool.
Good to see if something else looks.
Yeah, for sure. Could up that a little bit. What's
There we
this one?
go. Nice breakout, pushing to 4385. Bingo, target hit.
Explain bookmark again with the bubble. Is that just volume?
Yeah, the bubbles are just volume. So let's see. So you see this volume on this bubble that I'm on right now is 1900, 1900. Then a smaller bubble is only going to be like 68. So
Yeah, it's self-explanatory. Thanks, cheers, Kev.
exactly. Gotcha. Yeah, that's why people like Bookmap too, is it's very self-explanatory. It's not, I don't want to say it's easy to use, but it's definitely on the simpler side. So here we are at that 4384. NASDAQ at the top of that 15-minute supply zone. I'm not taking any trades right now. Apple had a huge gap up. Same with Microsoft, had about $1 gap up. Apple had a $2 gap up, and it looks like it does want to try to fill that gap right now. Again, I'm not taking any trades at the moment. Market just opened. Wanted to see how Bookmap would look.
I think we might be retracing back to 4375, depending on where it goes from 4380.
So Bookmap map is just like a different visual for the DOM.
Yeah, pretty much. Nice
And then
rejection
it
off
shows
the
you
top of that 15. What was that?
and then it's like the history of it as well.
Yep. You can't really go that far back with it, but yes. Oh, where is it? There was something else that's part of it that's important. Yeah, the delta.
There it goes. Testing 4380.
That was a nice sell-off from that key level and from Bookmap back for a little bit. Can you review Spy AMD? Said Mr. Khan. Khan Filtro radio show. What's going on, man? Yeah, so let me do so when I trade with the community and we're doing something like Spy, what we do is I chart ES because ES is the S&P 500, so that's exactly what we're looking at right now. Let me see. Apple popping, guys. Be careful, might see some strength here. But let me do AMD for you real quick. And guys, I'll keep an eye on equities on, futures on the other chart. So if something does happen, I'll just move it real quick. Looks like we're a little range bound on AMD.
Might go take a quick short to 4375, but 5-second VWAP is at 43.78.
Let's check that 30-minute range.
Pause on VWAP.
About
Right on
there.
cue.
So we're sort of ranging AMD 113 to about 114, 115. It is at some nice highs though on AMD. Let's see. Is it? It's not really. It's sort of falling out of. Had this falling wedge right here. Or channel, I guess.
There we go.
See how we were falling? Then it popped. So I could see bulls taking AMD to 118 at some point. Check the daily candle real quick. Guys, check out that sell. I think I want to, no, I'm not taking any short positions yet. I was thinking of grabbing a short on NASDAQ up here if we pop back up here. But I'm going to be patient because I wanted ES to hold this 30-minute zone right there.
Went short on ES at 43.80.
Oh, NASDAQ trying to pop green. Trapping. It's trapping people. Was I looking at the daily? Yeah, I mean, if AMD could surpass 116 with some volume, it'll probably see 118 that day too. That's how I see it. What's that? You know what though? It's got a supply zone at 116.30 on the daily, so that's gonna be a pretty strong target too. I would maybe even look for some short positions there.
Big time divergence in this first 5 minute.
Yeah.
NQ's going back up.
Yep.
Big old bearish dive. Engulfing candle though. It's. Let's see. Back to VWAP.
Yep. NQ back green.
Checked here. We close.
So we see this daily supply zone on AMD. I'd look for some weakness up here. Alright, so that's AMD for Mr. Khan. Let's see what our stocks are doing. So we got 15 seconds left. NASDAQ had a nice drop and then a nice pop, trapping a bunch of sellers. Equities are pretty strong right now. Amazon's the weakest, but equities are pretty strong right now. Most of them are green. So I just be careful. There goes ES. VIX is trying to pop. I'm staying patient on this. I sort of want to take a NASDAQ short position here.
Bing, target met. And a little push lower.
Yeah, I'm thinking shorts might want to run this. No, equities were looking strong. I'm gonna stay patient on this actually. I'm gonna see if ES could hold this zone right here.
Was methodical.
30-minute though looks really weak. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I get a better entry on NASDAQ short up here.
This is a textbook 1-for-1.
Equity's looking pretty strong. Nvidia pushing. Tesla's weak. Meta weak. Apple weak. I'm gonna, yeah, give me a pop. If we could get a little pop on NASDAQ, what I want is for us to hold below these previous candles. If we just pop right through it, I'm not touching it. So like I'd maybe take a short right here and stop loss literally like 2 points, but I don't think I'm going to. Equities seem a bit strong right now. I don't want to go against that trend. I always want things to look like they're running together. Microsoft's popping.
Amazon's popping pretty good too.
Amazon? Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
came
look
off
at that.
support
Nice,
at
nice.
139.
Yeah, that's strong. Alright, so here's ES to this level. And I wanted to see if we could hold this level to go long. So I'm going to be patient on this as well. See, there goes NQ broke that level, that zone. So I'm going to see this. I'm going to see ES. Consider taking an ES long position inside this zone. Stop at the bottom of this zone. But we do have to hold. It's important.
We might see 43.70 here. Real quick like.
436950 is also a good key level. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna get in this ES long down here if we get back into the zone. See that how we're bouncing off that? Equities are looking strong still too. If anything, Nasdaq's the stronger of the two. Maybe we wait for this candle to close. Gap from extended hours 4365. Right. Now there goes Nasdaq. I'm glad I didn't grab that short. It was patient, waited, and that's exactly why. It said equities were looking strong, so I didn't short Nasdaq. That worked out very well for me to not take that trade. Sometimes not taking a trade works out just as well as taking a trade. Cash is king.
I was waiting to see.
Pays more to not trade.
It definitely takes
Yes.
more to not trade. 1,000,000,000%.
I was expecting that break to drop through 43.73, and it didn't happen. So I was like, oh, nope, no trip to 43.70 yet.
Damn, yo, I missed that entry on these longs down here. That would have been... Look at that sniper entry. Let's see if we get a retest, though.
Yeah, this is retracement, so it's likely to retest at least half. So like 43.75 would be a good shot.
Yo, is Rock in here? Get
He
him
was the
off
other day.
screen. He just sent a
He
message.
posted in the text.
There you go.
Alright, pull back to that key level now on Nasdaq. See if we want to hold it on the 1 minute. If we hold it on the 1 minute on Nasdaq and make a rally basing and then a rally, I'm gonna take it long on Nasdaq. Cause I clearly missed my ES entry. Damn, yeah, that would have been a quick 6 points right there. Easy. Oof. Without it running red at all. What was I doing the 1 minute? Oh.
43.85 is the target.
Bulls. Told y'all too, Nasdaq stronger than ES.
Yeah.
That was clean. Apple new high day. Nasdaq keeps going. Keep it going, Nas.
Yeah.
Super
Strength.
strong. Love that. Wow.
Go, baby, go.
I want to see pullback on equities, but this thing ain't pulling back. I do want to see
That's
if this
gonna return.
divergence stays on ES, maybe. But I really wanted this 30-minute supply up here as a target for longs. That's about 50 points away on Nasdaq. So give me a retest. I'll be patient. I'll wait. I got nowhere to be but here right now. I'll wait.
Took a quick
As
point.
traders, we
Quarter.
get paid for our patience. If we jump into everything we see, it's not gonna go well.
No.
Damn, that was a 7-1 if I got in over there. Microsoft trying to pop. Apple trying to pop. Alright, Nasdaq's gonna go, I think, if it could continue. Wicking around on Microsoft. Apple trying to push green. Yep, there goes
Bulls
Apple.
still have a 43.85 target on ES, but that's going to be a short-term supply zone.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to look at the wick on the 15-minute on ES.
Right.
That's crazy. Yo, there goes Nasdaq. What did I just say a few seconds ago? We gonna pop again. Apple's popping, Microsoft's popping. That's all you need. All you need is Microsoft and Apple popping in the same direction with Nasdaq, and you could just scalp it. New high days on both. Boom. There you go. There's a setup for you guys. There's a scalp.
We got a pretty heavy exhaustion candle on the ES for the last 5 minutes. So the measured move coming out of that candle going north would put us up around 43.90.
Agreed. gonna let this accumulate here though. There's a short-term supply zone right here off the opening high.
Yeah, definitely be careful.
I'd love
with
to see that pull back to like 43.80 and then just resume trend. That would give us a perfect 1-for-1 on the 5-second chart.
NASDAQ, don't stop. Keep going. Damn, son.
Did you get in yet, Kevin?
Nope. Nope,
got
nope.
Oh, I've already taken several scalps.
Nice.
I got a 5-pointer. What time was that? Sorry. Closed it right at 9:35 and 20 seconds.
I'm gonna look at the 1 minute for now on NASDAQ. See if we get some type of pullback on the 1 minute base rally on the one, because this 5 is just not stopping. Microsoft new high.
One day I'll get you on the 5-second chart, man.
No, thank you. I don't think you will. I really don't think you will.
No. I think you can do it. It's the same price action. It's just faster.
I'm sure I can, but I don't. That's not me, man. That's not my strat. Gotta find a style. That's not my style. Too quick, too fast, too furious.
Fair enough. I just find that it's the fastest training you can get. I mean,
Yeah.
if you want to hone your skills, that's the fastest repetition you can possibly find. All right, we got almost.
You got your 1 minute basing candle, Foreman.
I did.
Yep, it's a nice little hammer.
I'll grab a few.
Join bids, huh?
It's gonna.
There
I think
is.
it is gonna. Oh no, Microsoft big pullback. Be careful.
Yeah, there is a supply zone here, so be careful.
There we go, Apple. Apple, make that new high a day. Go make a new high a day.
Go,
Yes,
go,
new high
go.
day, Apple. Let's go. Let's go. Scalp City, baby. Boom. Oh, boom. Boom,
Supply
boom,
zone
boom.
being threatened. Watch for a quick liquidity grab and a pullback.
That was one of the easiest of trades. I'm staying in this, though. Off that 1 minute, I think we got a few more 1 minutes to go. Apple new high a day again. Apple new high a day again. Microsoft new high a day. Yeah, I think we see the supply zone up here. Then I'm going to reverse. Let's go, guys. Let's go. That's a solid scalp. That's nice. I'm still in it. I'm going to let you guys know.
43.80 on deck. And 43.90 is the resumed move. That'd be a nice 1-for-1.
Look at that. 5 minutes. Crazy.
Dun, dun. Oh, sorry, 43.86 on deck. There we go. 43.90 is our target.
Pullback. Pullbacks are okay. We want pullbacks.
For some reason, my eyes are all dry and goobery this morning, so my vision's blurry.
Thanks for the information, Jeremy.
Yeah, you
I'm
can see
going
mine.
to implement this into my trades.
There you go.
It's a strong
I couldn't
pullback.
see that. I thought I saw a 0. It was a 6. I'm like, whoa, wait a minute.
Apple pulling back pretty strong right now. Be careful, guys.
Yeah, that's a bit of a profit-taking move. Be right back.
Sure. I need Apple to start popping and I'll add to this long. Alright, adding. Might come down a bit one more time, but I added. I'm longer. I'm longer now, guys.
But the
Consumer-
curve longer, baby. Sorry.
Consumer sentiment report at 10 a.m. Eastern, so less than 15 minutes.
No, that was a
Beware.
good. That was a good ad. That was a really good ad so far. Putting my take profit right here for 15,394, and then another one a little deeper. That's what she said. Inappropriate. All right. Let's see. No, wait. Do we want to get a pop and continue here? That'd be wild. That'd be wild, man. I don't know, man. I don't know if Bulls could take it again. I was really high up, but we're really near that supply zone.
We just hit the half ADR on NQ. That's why we're kind of consolidating right there. Decision making.
Gotcha. Yeah, I'm gonna look to exit
15380.
one.
15380 is the half ADR for today.
I'm gonna look to exit one contract. Sorta. No, I was gonna say sorta near the top of this candle, the 5 minute, but I'm gonna stay patient.
This is a very cautious entry here. I don't know that they're going to take it higher.
Yeah, be careful. I'm definitely gonna look to scale out of one contract at the top right over here. Apple really strong
Watch-
pullback, Microsoft strong pullback too.
Watch that 8 period on the 1 minute chart there. If that thing smokes
I
it,
think we
it's going to
might.
pull right back.
Yeah, I think we might pop up. We need Microsoft and Apple to start continuing though. They're not right now. Apple's like really trying to push lower.
Yeah.
But I want it to be stop hunting. Tesla pretty weak on this 5-2. Got a minute left on this 5 minute. Staying patient. They are both at new higher days. No divergence or anything. Staying with the trend. Trend's our friend.
That 8 MA on the 1 minute's about to crack. And we got to pull back to 50% retracement would be like 43.78. Previous move.
50 seconds in this 5 minute. I like Apple to try to pull back up again right now. There we go, Apple.
35 seconds
We
on that
might
candle.
get a
bro.
push. We might get a push, guys.
Careful, because it could be a liquidity grab to 43.88.
Yeah. I want a quick pump and rejection off of 15.394. That's my
Morning,
first
guys.
take profit. Good morning.
You get your power back up, Jeremy?
Yeah. Yeah, it was a mess yesterday.
That sucked.
It clipped me right in the middle of the broadcast, and then I couldn't get back on to do the Thursday thing with Tuttle. And yeah, it was a mess.
That's
So,
shot.
we're gonna do
Base
that
rally on
today.
5.
We'll make up for it. This time we're not going to go live though. We're going to record it and then I'll upload it to YouTube, so it's got a proper release time. And
That's a good idea.
yeah, and eventually we'll make it just a regular scheduled thing. We'll record it.
I don't like how Apple's looking right now, guys, for these longs.
Yeah, this is
Need Apple to start popping.
too many ticks under that 8 period here. We're going to get ready to pull back very fast.
No. Is it stop
Yeah, there
hunting?
it goes.
Oh, we might make a bull flag. I'm staying in it.
Might.
Or stop hunt, but I'm staying in this. There we go, Apple. There we go, Apple. There we go, Apple. That's what I want to see.
Apple rallying.
Yup. Nice
Nice.
pop on Apple. I'm grabbing another long position there, guys. Ooh.
Till then.
What was that? What was that?
Nice call. I got some of that.
Nice.
That was the
nice.
flattener.
Let's see.
That was let's kick your stops out and rip a face off real quick for a pullback.
Come on, Bulls. Come on, Apple. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. I'm going to scale out of 1. Sort of near the top of this current 5 minute candle. Ooh. No, give us a pop. Give us something. No, I'm not scaling out. I like that for a rally. Base rally on the 5.
NASDAQ's pivot point is at 394.
Nice.
This
Come on, Bulls.
here
Take
is
it. Let's
the-
go. Come on, Microsoft near new high a day, too. Meta's making new high a day. Come on, Bulls.
That's
take
the 1
that.
minute 50 MA right there too. So
Let's go, Bulls. Let's go. They don't like the cheering. Sorry, Bulls. I'll be quiet.
Well, we still got some unfinished business to try that 4390 again.
No, we want to go to 15394 on Nasdaq. Where we at? Where we at? Bring them out.
I
Bring
feel
them
like
out.
we're gonna go back to 404 where we originally opened yesterday.
What time is it? What time is it on the stream? 25 minutes in? Yo, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. I got 1 sell limit. I'm in 4 contracts right now. I got like 2 sell limits right at this supply zone right here. And then I'll hold half my contracts.
Good idea. Round it off.
Apple really strong to the downside right now, though.
About 25 seconds, we'll have a little clue.
Yeah.
What's up, homies?
What is a good
Yo,
day?
what up, Rock?
Top of the morning
That's
to ya.
that pop.
Top of the morning.
Morning, Rock.
We're gonna get that pop. We're gonna get that pop to 404.
Top of the
I'm
morning.
doing strictly
Let's go
low risk
Nasdaq.
today. I've had too good of a week, so
If we
Yeah.
go above 404 on NQ, then we're gonna see 441 easily.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, these are some nice longs. I do think we're gonna get this pop. We got 55 seconds left. Apple is really weak though. Same with Microsoft, just had some massive pullback.
Now, if we
I'm
don't
gonna scale out of 1.
go up that way, then we gotta come back to 306.
I don't like that
Please.
Bulls haven't taken it yet. We got 40 seconds left. Really gonna need Bulls to step up and start pumping it.
They're coming. Give them 2 more bars.
30
our sector
seconds.
lists,
Nice to meet you.
XLC, XLK, XLY. I mean, the cylinders
I
currently
think
that we need to pump are pumping. So, yeah.
Nice.
Last test of the 8 period. Let's see if we go.
Well, we're sitting ducks for the next 6 minutes waiting for news.
Oh, what time is? Oh yeah, I was gonna say shit. What time is it? Gotta get out before news opens.
Yep.
Not trying to be in
Yeah, I
that.
got out.
You
It
got
was a
out?
positive trade. Yeah, I'm done.
Nice.
I don't want to sit through all that.
What's coming out? What news is coming out?
Michigan consumer sentiment. Is that what you guys are talking about?
And then again, this news
Yeah.
may do nothing, you know?
Yeah, I'm still in these
Big ol'
longs. I think we got that.
I'm in a booty grab call on Amazon. I am currently at got it to a 16th of an R risk now, so I'm not sweating it.
Nice.
Making a 1-minute rounding top here.
Apple trying to pop off VWAP. I like that.
Booty grab calls. How do you? Can I learn that strategy?
Yeah, let's one-on-one that.
Me too. Me too. I'm in.
Not
Well,
one if there's 3 of you involved.
Sorry,
We're,
I forget I'm not in my room. Yeah, it's just basically
Get
a low
your
risk.
get your short buttons ready.
We're not that kind of community, guys.
Who is that talking about that?
That's Rock. That's Rock. He's
Oh,
he's
yeah,
an OG.
Okay. He needs to step up to the mic. I can barely hear him.
Guys, I'm still in these longs on Nasdaq. It's definitely chopping around trying to stop me out. Apple's super, super weak right now. Does make me want to scale out of a contract. Just to, okay.
And there's
cool.
a pop.
And the drop.
And there's the
Wait,
drop.
where's the wait? The news isn't out yet.
But
We do
that's
have
the
an
whole
open
point,
block on
man.
Apple at
They're
183.99.
trapping people right now.
That'd be a
You see, those that are unaware that there's some news going on, those guys that are trading on their, iPhone 15 and not paying attention to anything else, right? They get a real reality check when all of a sudden this thing pops 30 points and they're lost their account.
No, don't say that. Don't. Why would you
Yeah.
stop saying such horrible things? I'm in a long position right now.
Reality check, man. Reality check.
Yeah, I'm putting my sell stops.
Honestly, when I started trading, I used to go out for a walk after the open in the evening, and I would sit somewhere and then play NQ on my phone, and
Nice.
yeah, no, it didn't. It worked for a few times, and then after that, it didn't anymore.
Oh.
So that's when I said no more phone trading.
I was saying the 1 minute rounding top was going to find the support candle right around 43.
Oh, we're about to get stopped out of this, guys. That's crazy. I got my
Were
stops.
you long?
I got my stops below the previous 5 minutes over here. That's where my entry was. So we're still green, but damn, not as green.
4380 holds. We still got that unfinished business to 4390, but we got
Give me
news
that
coming
wicked
out.
News in a minute.
Give me that wicked
Yeah,
wick.
I'm not messing with it. We can
And
see
we're in a block.
4375.
We're in a block order set up on the 15 minutes on NQ right now.
We can see 4375 on a bearish 1-for-1 5-second chart right now. It's getting ready to break it. Let's see if it goes.
How much time we got left in the fight? We got 2 minutes. Oof. Come on, give me a wicked wick.
But I ain't touching that because the news comes out pretty quick here.
I know, news hits and we're just like on a different side of the chart.
Yep. I'm a hand
firm
sitter.
believer that I'm just a firm believer that it really doesn't matter if the news is good or bad. The move by institutions is already planned. They're just looking
Right.
for the time to hit.
Yo. Billion%.
Watching
Come on,
the
wick
clock.
back up. Wick back up. Do that. Do it. Just do it. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of this in a second.
Take what you can get.
Alrighty.
I have on the 5 minute. I have it coming back down to this trend line I have from the top of the handle from back in July.
Hold up, I gotta watch the time. Yo, let me know when there's like 5 seconds, 30 seconds. Ugh, I hate playing with fire like this, but I'm going to.
Yep. I have that same trend line, brother.
Hey, if your risk is good, your risk is good, man. Go get a cup of coffee.
That's true.
And
That's
here's
true.
a big bullish pop in the chart.
14.
Yeah, Uber did not even think about giving me an entry this morning. It was ridiculous. So
There's a lot of people
5
buying
seconds.
UT for some reason.
Thank you. I'm gonna get out of one contract there. Oh, glad I
TTE
did.
Court
And look
Damn.
at that drop.
4375 1-for-1. Mission complete, sir.
Go nuts.
Now we can
Hey,
do whatever. But
how's that 5-second chart looking, Jeremy? My 10-second go nuts here, man.
that was the bearish 1-for-1 that I was calling out to 4375. Missed it by 1 tick. Good enough.
Look at that wick.
Yeah, isn't that beautiful?
Gnarly.
It's like a
Now we're right at retracement.
Come on,
4380. Let's see if we can get either side of this. This is where we look for the breakout. We either break to the upside and hit the 4390, or we break back down and start to trend to 4370.
I'm telling you, bulls want this. Bulls want 15394 on ES, on Nasdaq, on ES.
They do, but they're gonna fight about it.
Yeah, they are gonna fight about it. I'm gonna try to get out of this. I don't like it. I don't like news trades. It's
Dude,
gross.
I'm still sitting on my hands. I didn't even take that 1-for-1 that I knew was gonna hit.
all right, we're going down, fellas.
Yeah, gonna
Gross.
trend to 4370. Although that is a 50% retracement of the pre-market move from about 640 on until the high at 945. So 50% retracement would take us to, let's see, 434.50 on SPY, 4370, I believe, on ES. I don't have it look back that far. Hang on.
Apple, Microsoft trying to be strong right here. I'm still in these longs.
Yeah, 4368 to 4370.
Apple little pop.
Target.
Apple so far held that block trade, FYI.
Boo. Debbie Downer.
Yeah, I'm not saying it's not going to break down.
Debbie Downer. No, I'm just kidding.
Just FYI.
Are you still green, Kevin, or you just
No.
moved your stops?
No, I'm red on this. I'm just watching right now.
Debbie Downer. I love that skit.
Oh my god. Ooh, we taking this L right here. Let's see.
I
See if
should
we
have
want to
shorted that.
bounce a
That's okay.
bit.
I wait patiently, thank you.
Yeah, that's it.
All
I'm
right,
out of that.
so
No, ain't no way I'm staying in that anymore. That's crazy.
are we going back to the open for a
No,
full round at 327? And then
We just hit the 43.75 target finally, but I think we're going to 43.70. If it holds here, though, I'm out there. I'll take it bull.
well, 200 in view app on the 1 minutes right there. So
Yeah,
yep.
that's true. 43. I guess we're gonna see 43.80
oh
again.
man.
All right.
Yo, off that trend line on ES. Oh man, I didn't see that. Let's wait. Let's see.
I should have took my profits.
Yeah,
Dude, that's me right now, bro. I was in longs up here. Could have took up here. I was like, no, we got 5 more points.
I
So
got stopped
close.
up.
Yeah, this is
It
just retracement
happens.
after retracement.
Not every trade's gonna be a winner. That's why we got to size right. I'm adding to my rules. No trading the news anymore. Definitely got to be out of it. Was hoping for the best with that news.
We got a 5-second IHS possible here. Watch for a break above 43.78.
Oh yeah, I like that for a pop right there. On the 1 minute on NASDAQ. But Apple's too weak. We're gonna go lower.
Yeah. Neckline is 43.76. And top of the
A
head's
little bit of a
43.75.
pop. Nope.
No, that's
Nope.
a drop.
IHS fail. We're going down to 43.70. See ya.
I'll scalp.
That's where I'll be waiting to be a bull. Because that's right where the 50% retracement line is.
Nice.
43.7 is the middle of the 15-minute Keltner too,
Yeah.
which we are now an NQ in the middle of the 4-hour Kelt, which can, hold it. But 290 should be a bear target if they pick it up on NQ.
I like where, I was gonna say, I like where NQ just bounced off of though, but my Apple's really weak. No, I'm going long there. I am, because of this key level. Stop right below this key level. Gotta take this one.
Rejects 43.75 again. I'll go long. But it may not.
We're gonna have to see. I don't think this will work out.
We have a bearish divergence on NQ right now. So on the 5 minutes.
Not rejected yet, though.
Yeah, bears are just gonna keep trying to take it. Let's see.
There it goes back to the open. Come on. You can do it.
Yeah, I'm out of that. I'm out of that. I like this
Finish
area
it.
we just hit though.
Yeah.
Not out of it. That's a lie. A minute.
What
Finish
time
him.
frame did you trigger your long?
What do you say?
What time frame did you trigger that long on NQ?
I know, it was the 1 minute. I shouldn't have done the 1 minute. That's why I don't trade the 1 minute.
No, but you see, we're back in where.
Yeah, it's because of this zone. We wicked off of this key level and the zone right here, so we
Yeah.
are gonna bounce. So this
Hey,
trade's
Yeah,
just
that
gonna
was the
die
chop. That was the chop
before the pop.
from the open.
Yeah.
Something
That
to
was
mention here,
about-
we are inside day, and we on SPY here we are inside day, but we're coming down into a rising moving average. Just something to note, okay?
Nice.
Yeah.
Could you send a screenshot of that? I like that.
Yeah, and that's just daily. I'm just looking at the daily here. Sure, no problem.
Sure, cool. Thank you.
Good morning, y'all.
Yo,
Morning.
good morning. Who is that? Is that Victor?
Yeah.
What up, Victor?
How are y'all?
Doing good. How you doing?
I'm good. I just came back from Florida, ready to trade.
Nice, nice. This was a good long so far, guys, on NASDAQ. I like Apple's popping. 184 right now on Apple. But that's a whole number. Remember, whole numbers are key psych numbers. Got you, got you. Thank you, Rock. Nice. What's the VIX doing? VIX is chopping around. Boring. It's a 15
Watching
minute
for a
time.
retest here. Possibly a 3-bar down to the 1 minute 200. That would be epic. Because then it'll give us consolidation and one more blast. But I'm looking for a quick drop right here.
I'm looking at the 15 minute. 15 minutes got this candle, this 5 minute, and one more 5 minute. If it wants to continue this uptrend, this 15 minute could make a nice basing candle.
Yeah. All right, here comes half of our 1 minute range bar. And that's right where the 8 period lies. There it is. If we smoke that and hit a 3-bar here, we'll catch the rebound right back up to 43.78.
Ooh.
3-bar nearly complete.
I think he's gonna
Close
hit
enough.
4370, man.
Big rejection on Microsoft.
Watch for a doji here and then a quick retrace.
Oh, there's that key level. 15337. See if we want to hold it. Push through it a little bit.
3-bar.
Oh no. Not a fan of that.
We're at the base of bar 1, so see what we get here. Bulls aren't convinced about
Evan,
the
what were you
retrace.
saying about the 15-minute basing? I didn't see that.
Oh, it's saying the 15 minute, if it, before this 5 minute was rallying, it was like up to here. I was saying if these two 5 minute candles were on now and the next one want to rally, the 15 minute could close like a basing candle. But they really need to rally.
Here's
We're
the
good.
drop. Good open.
And we
Basing with a
may,
huge candle.
Yeah.
I mean, a huge wick.
Yeah.
we're still teasing the idea of a quick shoot down to 43.70, but it's trying to hold here for quick retracement to 43.80 or
Strapping,
43.78.
strapping those people that buy above VWAP.
Right.
And now they're gonna go in for a surprise when it just, you know,
Here comes that
pop,
liquidity.
yeah, let me go long for 376, and then boom, 370 hits, and they're
Yep.
5 points top.
That's it.
It's right there. It's about to happen.
That's that
The
liquidity
same thing is
grab.
going on with the NQ right here. We're bouncing at this, you know, this flat 200 on the RTH.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the sucker's bet setup right here.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I know. I was gonna say definitely not looking good for most setups. If we didn't have this key level and this zone holding right here, I wouldn't be in this.
Yeah.
Are you in
Because
the
we
short?
Oh no, I'm in a long because of the support we have underneath us right now, and thinking
On
that
NQ?
everybody's gonna be short. But I'd rather trade with the trend than against it.
we could easily snap a quick 5-second 1-for-1 down to 43.70 and then bounce off of that like a freaking red rubber ball. This is a second liquidity grab in the setup, though. If we breach here, we can certainly still shoot up to 43.80.
No.
There
Come on,
it goes.
Bulls, take it. Take it. Trap them. Trap
They'll
them
run it
right
right
now.
to 43.79, 50
Yeah.
cents, and then rip it down, right? That's where VWAP is on the 5-second chart.
Bulls go crazy.
Down. That is also looking like a 1-minute Wu-Tang.
So here's the 15 I was talking about. I want it to close above,
Bang.
Oh yeah, right up there is fine.
All right, now watch for R1 retest, and we'll see if we can go long or short coming up.
Apple, a bit of a rejection. I'm still in these.
US dollar and UVXY are catching some strength, bearish.
Nice.
1 minute Wu-Tang.
Bulls, bulls, bulls. Nice Apple
So
pump.
Wu-Tang would be bullish?
If it bounces off the mean of the first consolidation, yes. But
Nope.
if it breaks the mean and then breaks the base, it can also be a 1-for-1 bear flag down. So this is a careful trade. If it goes and tests support here and bounces back through the mean, we got a chance at going long and hitting the previous high, which would be 43.82. But if it breaches 43.75 anywhere, then no go is going to be probably bearish at that point.
Remember that we still have an RTH gap to close.
Yeah.
No.
This is where the bulls are going to try like hell for one last shot, and if they can't do it, they're going to get faded.
Come on, bulls. Come on, bulls. Prove those bears wrong. Go, go, go.
Well, we
Got
had a
minute
5 minute
left.
inside on the ES, and now we have an outside. So this
Yeah.
is definitely range expansion about to happen.
Yep. Good eats. It can still snap for a quick liquidity grab either way, and then continue to consolidate. But this is looking exactly like expansion's coming next.
Microsoft met a new high a day.
If you zoom out enough on the 5-second chart, you'll see it's a perfect little diamond pattern. All we gotta do is trade the break. Up or down, don't matter.
If it doesn't close where I'm looking for it to close, I'm going to reverse this and go short.
The diamond will break either way, right at the center point right now.
Oh, it's not. It's definitely not. We'll see if it wants to give us a little pop before we drop. Nope. Yeah, we're just going to continue to the downside. I'm going to get ready to reverse this.
Let's try. 43.6175 on the yes.
I don't think bulls want this at all. Oh, Apple. See, if Apple and Microsoft could pop, then great, but they're not. They're dropping right now. So I'm reversing
All
this.
right. We're at the critical support. If we snap down here, we will catch a nice 1-for-1 down. If we hold here and bounce, we'll get a rip right back through 43.80.
Whew.
The diamond is complete. Yeah, man.
Too
This is a battle.
bouncy right here. I hate this.
It's a battle.
Yeah. To say the least.
I got time for one more trade, and then I gotta go pick up the car.
30 minutes still got time to close, and does have the potential to go bullish if it wanted to.
Alexis?
Yeah.
Nice.
Just put some new tires on.
One more 15-second swing trade.
Right? That's me. Oh, we snapped support. See ya. 43.70. Here we come. Oh, what?
We
What did he
got
grab?
buyers. We got buyers right below VWAP waiting.
Yeah, that's right. Dirty bums. I wanted so bad to short that, but I'll take it either side. I don't care. I didn't take an entry yet.
Yeah, I set out on that one because
I'm telling you, I think bulls really
it's
want
like
this off this
around
candle.
when it's around view app, I don't play it, man. I just
No.
try to stay away because you don't know. It's like
I'll try for a 43.75 long entry on a retest, but I might miss. Damn, that's a bullish engulfing candle on the 1 minute chart there, about to complete. 10 seconds. Hammer on the 5 in 2 minutes. That's a tough spot to enter either side.
So don't. Nah, I
Nope.
think bulls are gonna take this. Apple just breached view app too.
I agree. I mean, if the Bulls want it here, they're gonna have it here. But there's just yeah, you'll get the 15-second swing.
and there goes a pop.
Yep. Gonna test 43.80 again. Not in this run, but it'll pull back to 43.7625 and then shoot for the moon.
Pop before the drop.
That's 50% retracement off of that 1-for-1 up from the floor on a 5-second chart. Bam. There we go.
So I'm along both SPY and Amazon. We'll see what happens. I have a total risk of less than a quarter of an R on between both trades. So today it's like 0 or nothing. So I don't even need to stop because the contracts are so close to my like a quarter of my risk anyway. So I'm just gonna let them run.
Yeah.
Nice.
There you go.
Yeah, I gotta go to work here in about 10 minutes anyway. So
Yeah. All right.
Thanks for
Bulls or
joining us
Bears?
today,
Here we
Rob.
come. Yeah, thanks for
homie?
joining us, man. You're
Yeah, it was cool having you in here. It's been a while.
sight.
Well, thanks.
You're a
always
sight
fun.
for sore eyes. There we go. Push 43.80. Let's go. That's where my limit order lies. It'll probably shoot higher, but I ain't got time for that.
So for the last 4 weeks or so, 3 weeks, we've had every Friday being a bullish Friday, right?
Yeah. This would be the good day for the one bear in the mix, huh? There's 5-second
I'll throw
VWAP
SPY
right there.
blocks in there if you guys want to see them.
Cool.
Heck yeah.
Apple's pumping pretty strong right now.
Tag my order. No. Don't breach the 5-second 5-8 period. Damn you.
Those are just the current ones, by the way.
There we go.
Cool.
Come on. 43.80. Let's go.
There you go. 370.
Big hammer on the 5-minute there, previous candle. Liquidity grabbed. Watch for a break candle coming up.
S-tick is back above 0.
Big reversal on
Market
Apple.
alert. I gotta go do some work.
Nice.
Damn.
I think bears might want to push it lower.
Yeah, they're trying to push it below
They're
43.76.
They're struggling, man.
That was a long wick on that 5-second candle, right back to the retracement target, though. So I bet you they regroup and the bulls will push it to 43.80 anyway. Oh, there's strength there. Yes, look at this. On the 1-minute chart, watch this bar right here. If this bar closes inside of the previous bar, the next bar will likely be a doji, and then you'll get a setup for a 1-for-1 push to 43.85.
Nice.
Sadly, I'm gonna miss it because I gotta exit this trade and go.
Apple really weak. Microsoft's trying to stay strong though. Whoa.
That's that bar I was telling you about. It's outside now. 43.80 nailed. Thank you. Come again. I'll be back.
Next block on SPY up is for 35.87.
Agreed. Great minds,
Nice,
man. That's right where my
nice.
liquidity zone is too, like to the penny. Badass. Watch for this to be a doji, and then watch for support candle and continuation. I will see you guys later on. I got to get back in time for I think 12:30 is when we're going to record a thing with Tuttle. I wonder if I can get him in our room. That'd be cool.
That would be. Tuttle, do you have
He's a
Discord?
cool guy to talk to. You know, I mean, the stuff we talk about is mostly geared towards swing traders. So, like, you know, at some point, I'd love to have him live in our Discord so that we can do exactly that. We'll just pick off some
Yeah, that'd be
stuff from
cool.
Kramer's list, and then we can have some good swing
Some
trades to
swing
watch out
trades
for.
on it. Yeah, very cool. I like the
And if you
bullish
want to
strength
catch,
on Apple here, guys. We might see a little pop.
and if you guys know of Tuttle, you'll know he's an institutional guy. He runs a lot of big funds and publicly traded exchanges like ETFs.
That's dope.
He builds them. Currently, he built a 2x leveraged ETF for both Tesla and for Nvidia.
Nice, very cool.
And they're optionable. So
Nice.
like
Even better.
if you want to be an options seller, that's your gravy boat right there. Is those leveraged ETFs.
Very cool.
But yeah, I'll ask him if he would be interested in doing that, so where we can be live in our Discord with him running through Kramer's list on Thursdays, and instead of going live to YouTube with it, we'll record it and release it later.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
That'd be really cool. I'll ask him.
Cool, man. Cool.
He's a heck of a nice guy. I enjoy his company, and he's a man after my own heart. We both love throwing shade at what would be called institutional analysts out there, and we both have a mind to level the playing field for retail.
Right. Cool.
So that's kind of where we're at.
Very cool.
All right, guys. I'll see you later on, and probably Monday.
Take care, Jeremy.
Monday's another busy day.
Have a good weekend.
Take care, Jeremy. Have a great.
Take care,
You too,
Jeremy.
guys. You too, guys. We'll see you around.
Pullbacks, pumps, pullbacks, pumps. This mark is just bouncing around. Really? We're gonna go lower now? Nah. Oh, we might. Everything looks really weak. Oh, Apple though. They ain't giving up. Equities are just bouncing around right now, guys. Be careful if you're in any trades. So we got support under us. Got some resistance overhead. Waiting for the right move. What time is it?
$10:30.
Nice. Just wondering out loud, I guess, probably. Oh, what up, Aaron? Sorry, I just saw your comment on YouTube, man. I feel freaking. Call spreads? Yeah, I mean, we got, in our community, we got a bunch of guys that are good with spreads and stuff. There's Jeremy and Sig. They're, like, awesome. Tesla new low at a Apple really weak. I might take this short. Nice. me a fat drop. Nice. We're gonna get another one? Nice. I'm all out there. That was a nice drop. Quick little scalp. You guys in any trades right now? You guys got any questions or anything? And definitely let me know. 2 minutes on this 5 minute. I'm looking at equities. Equities are pretty weak right now. Tesla did make a new low a day. Broke yesterday's lows. But look, it broke yesterday's lows and started to wick back up, right? So maybe it's going to do a liquidity grab. So any retail traders that were watching yesterday's low said, okay, I'm going to short it as soon as we break it. We broke it for about 40 cents, and then we reversed right back up. So now those people that grabbed short positions, sold Tesla, went short, bought some puts, they just immediately went red on their position. Now we're going to wait for this candle to close in about a minute and a half and see if it does want to close with a small body, long, lower wick to show that sellers are trapped. And if that's the case, I'll look for a long position. I'll look for sellers to be trapped in NASDAQ as well at this low. By the way, this trade earlier played out in 10 minutes. That was such a nice trade. I didn't take it, which stinks, but that was a nice trade. So just waiting now. Apple very weak. I do think bears might want to continue. Couldn't see us popping right now. Meta weak too. Waiting. 45 seconds. No reason to rush into this right now. Don't sell at the lows. Still got 35 seconds and now we might bounce, right? So we'd be patient. Patience, patience. YouTube, don't forget hit that like button. Like and subscribe. I gotta start making like intraday trade plans off of the 15-minute. Like if I was like, oh, I'm gonna short if it does break below here. That would have been nice. Alright, 2 seconds. Let's see if sellers are trapped. They did trap some sellers. I'm not convinced yet. I sort of do want to take this long here. Nah, I'm not going to. Too weak. Ah. Gotta think there's pain here, right? People who are short. No, we're weak. I don't know. I need Apple to start pushing lower again. It was doing well before. There's the pop. I'm long. Oh, that was a bad fill. But I am long. That's a horrible, that's a really bad fill. I'm gonna add more right there to average down my fill. I am ready to reverse if Apple gets really weak here. Just a heads up. Nice. If Tesla engulfs that previous candle, I'm grabbing another contract. It's failing previous candle high though. Come on. So close. It's so close. It's right there. Come on, Tesla. Come on, Tesla. You got it. Show you guys what I'm looking at. I want Tesla above this candle. It's not doing it though. Come on. So close. Nope, Tesla trying to reject. Oh, got some volatility in Tesla right now. Pump, Tesla, pump. Oh, Tesla's getting a little weak, guys. Be careful on this long position. Yeah, Tesla's weak. I'm getting ready to reverse this. Not yet. Wait. I'm gonna buy 2 more down here because I am ready to reverse it too. If we start selling, we're gonna get another drop. I'm reversing right there. I'm short. I'm shorter. I don't like that we're sort of trying to hold this area. This zone, I said I wanted to hold this zone earlier in the pre-market plan. If Tesla does start popping, I'll consider reversing again to go long. But I'm staying in the short for now because Apple looks weak. Microsoft looks pretty weak. Tesla's trying. They're all trying, but try and try. Minute 11 left. It's time to fail. Apple's struggling to go lower. Once Apple starts going lower, I'll grab another short position. Tesla's still pretty weak too, though. We got 30 seconds. This market's like yawn. Give me a move. Get some volatility. Kick it up a notch. Come on, Apple. Apple's so close to going red on this candle. There we go. Little red. Sell off. Might pop though. Sell off. There we go, Apple. Little bit of a move on Apple. There we go, Apple. Wait. No, not a fan of that Apple candle closure at all. I'm gonna look for a drop, then I'm gonna reverse and go long. No, I'm not. Actually, yeah, I don't know about that, guys. Let's see. Apple looks like it wants to go higher. Microsoft looks like it wants to go higher. Tesla looks like it wants to try to go higher. I'm just staying patient. Y'all still there? Yeah.
I'm here.
We're chilling right now, man. This market's very just choppy. At the
Trying to
moment.
stay awake.
Yeah, right? This market's doing a good job of making us fall asleep right now. I'll get more shorts there. Looks like we want to break. It's things like I'm not giving you a break. Said no way we're giving you a break.
All right, I gotta head to work. It's nice hanging out with you guys this morning.
Yo, cool chilling with you, Rock.
Yep, I'll probably end up losing a quarter of an hour today. Had a really good week. I just had an amount that I'm not willing to lose past today, and that was the main call. So
All right.
probably wrong in my direction, and that's okay. No big deal. Have a great day.
Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Have a good one, man. Have a
Take
good
care.
weekend.
Yeah, everybody else as well. Thank you.
Thank you. Say like that VIX has been trying to pop. Apple's sort of weak right now. Really need Apple to just flush. If Apple could flush, that'd be great. I want Apple to flush, but it's not even at the toilet. Ha ha ha, I'm so funny.
Where's the sound effect after that one?
I know, I need to go find it. I think we reverse here and go long. What the fuck?
I don't know what that was, but it didn't sound like a flush toilet.
That was like the pre-market sound effect.
There it is.
There you go.
It is. Jeremy's the one with the sound effects.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm going heavy on the longs here, guys. I like that. I like this. Nice, nice. Very good. Microsoft new high day. I want us to close above the previous candle's wick, but we'll see. That was the move I was looking for. I didn't know if it would be a scalp or if it would be a bit of a day trade. But whenever we get a hanging man candle, an inverse hammer candle like this red one right here, we tend to pop below it for a little bit, and then get a big quick reversal to above it. So that's a bit of a setup that I like to look for. Because it's at this support right here, I thought it would be more of a day trade, but it's not looking that way at all. Looks more like a drop base drop. I'll tell you guys what, I think I'd rather be short than long right now. But the VIX is trying to pop. Yeah, I'm reversing that. We're going short there, but staying very light. Been getting chopped up lately. I don't know why. The past like week or so I've been trying to like scalp more. It's just not my trading style. My style's day trading, coming up with a good trade plan and following it. I gotta cut it out with the scalping. Because I try to turn every scalp into a day trade, and that's not how we should be doing it. Buyers might want to step in, maybe. We're at too much support right here. I feel like bulls are gonna really trying to hold us. So I'm not in anything right now. Maybe I'll go light in a long position right here. But just stay patient right here. Apple, nice little pop. go. You know what it is too? The reason I'm a day trader is because you get bigger moves when you're a day trader. When you're scalping, you'd get in here and just get out as soon as you get a pop. I'm not a fan of that. I want to really capture the move. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's hard to mix the two styles. I mean, or any styles really.
Yeah, absolutely. It messes with your bias. It's tough. Definitely tough. Minute 30 left on this 5 minute. I'm staying out of it.
These last this support we're hitting is the Globex high.
On ES or NASDAQ?
Sorry, I'm mostly watching NASDAQ lately.
NASDAQ, I see that. Yeah, me too. Cool, yeah, I see that. Very strong. Yeah, very strong support right here. Apple and Microsoft trying to pump too. 50 seconds left in this 5 minute. What time is it? Probably gonna wrap it up soon. Check out that 15 though. 15 makes me want to short it. Nope. 50. Could really go both ways. I might go short here. I feel like the 15 suggesting bearish, but let's see. Maybe the 1 hour though. Apple looking bullish. Might get a little move. Tesla chopping around trying to go higher too. VIX does look like it wants to drop. I'll try a long. But you know what? Apple's been making lower highs, and now it's coming up to VWAP again. There we go, Apple with some strength. Nice. Nice, not nice, nice, not nice. Yeah.
You sound like you went long.
I did go long. I might scalp it though, because I don't trust these rallies lately. Alright, I'm out. Ew, is that what scalping is? Gross. No, I'm just kidding. Nah, scalping's dope. Scalping's dope. Oh, see, that's why I don't scalp. No. I want everything, man. I want it all. What's the 1 minute looking like? Yeah, 1 minute looks good.
I'm in a long.
Scalp it again.
What do you think? A target 43.84, or are you still thinking?
I'm in a long too right now. I'm trying to scalp it. Quite honestly, a long target would either be supply up at the 30 minute, or yeah, probably supply up at that 30 minute.
Got it. That's above that key level.
Yeah, but also if we're looking at the hourly it looks like it wants to close as a basing, which is pretty dope. Could be a basing before we create a demand zone. Oh, let's see if that was a stop hunt. We took out these highs over here. Sort of think I want to go short up here. Because nothing's really lasting trend-wise. Could totally see us reversing here. VIX did have a nice drop, though. Nope, see, I knew it. Ah, rough. It's really funny. Now let's see how this candle closes, see if we just trapped people and want another leg down. Apple looks nice and weak. We'll try it for a scalp, but yeah, I don't know. It looks like bulls do want it. Apple looks weak though. Super duper weak. Super, super, super weak. Until it's not. Yeah, there it is. Apple looks weak. Need Microsoft and Meta. Meta's pushing lower. We'll pop on Apple right there. See if buyers do want to take it for some continuation.
Little divergence on that last candle's 5 minute on the wick that went up.
Yeah.
Yeah, on the 1 minute it looks like a, rally based. Oh, here it goes.
Does the 1 minute look like an RBR? Oh, eh. I wouldn't say. Oh,
I'm on the S&P. I'm sorry. You guys are looking at Nasdaq.
No problem. I was looking at the S&P too, though. I don't really see an RBR on the 1 minute on ES.
Yeah, it's more like a flag. I'm sorry. You're right.
Got you, got you. No problem. No problem. So make sure we're all seeing the same thing. See, we're chopping around. We're not really getting much continuation. It's because the stock market hates us, and I'm just kidding. VIX looks like it wants to drop, though. I'm just not trusting these pumps. I am in along from 15,353. There we go, it's something. Yes. 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, 5 minutes till the 1 hour closes. Okay, I guess I do like the longs because of where the 1 hour is gonna close. Wait, how? We'll see. Yeah, we're gonna have to. We got 32 seconds in this 5 minute. We really need the next 5 minutes to go bullish too. Sort of need us to, I'd say close above there. Microsoft, another new high day. Meta's pumping, that's good. Tesla did reverse from that wick that we were talking about earlier. Might pull back first. Yup. See if bulls want this. There goes Apple. We just need a strong move on one of these equities. Nice. Nice, not nice. Definitely considering exiting this trade just for the sake of being out of it. Because it's definitely very uncertain right now what we want to do. VIX is at a key level. It's been trying to go lower. Apple weak. Gonna see some pullback. Ooh, Apple just got pretty weak. It's okay, we want NASDAQ to hold while Apple's weak. That's a good sign. Microsoft's also weak. Meta's pumping, Tesla's pumping, Nvidia's pumping. Good stuff. Apple back green on this candle. Teetering green and red though. Nice, nice, nice. Needed to close in this range.
If it reverses right here on the 5 minute, would that be like an inverted Wu-Tang?
If it closes where?
If it reverses here.
It looks more like
It's coming up on the resistance from that other upswing.
yeah. Yeah. I mean, I don't really see it. So the woo is like a W like
I have
this
to do
right
a
here.
headstand to see it. But it would be an inverted Wu-Tang, I think.
Gotcha. Guys, I think I want to exit this trade here. No, Microsoft's trying to pump. Be something like this. Sort of count that as a woo. If you want
Yeah, but inverted, so it would be bearish.
Right. I don't see it
We're coming up on this trend line that we keep wicking off of.
Which trend line? Could you send a screenshot? I don't think I have that trend line.
It's one that I have from the daily coming back from the top of from July.
Oh, that's cool.
I mean, and we've just been wicking off of it this morning. The bottom of the wicks from that last from the high of day, the bottom of all those wicks are hitting it, and now we're coming up below it.
Gotcha. Part of me is like, really sell this. Don't be in this anymore. Lock in the profit. I only went one. Oh no, Apple looks good. I only went one ES contract. I'd like volume to step in, please. Nice pump. 5 seconds. Oh my god, no way. Is it gonna give me what I want? Oh, no way, no way, no way, no way, no way. No way, no way, no way. I'm going longer here.
You say you're going longer?
Yeah.
Longer. All right.
I'm going longer. Nice. That's why I went longer. I'm gonna scale one out right at the top of that candle up there. If it goes back up there. Ooh, no, I'm not. Oh, it got stuck. Yes, I am. Pump time. I might get another one. I'm going longer again. I'm even longer now.
You're the longest.
Oh my god.
Stop, you gotta stop bragging.
Our
right.
YouTube, we're gonna cut it off right there, and I'm. That's funny. It's gonna go against me now that I'm joking around and having a good time in the market. Come on, pump up right to that 30-minute. Right to that 30-minute. Apple nice and strong. Microsoft's pumping pretty strong right now. That's exactly what I was looking for earlier, guys. This is nice. Come on. Boo. I'm gonna look to scale out of a contract at the top of this candle. I really don't want to. I really want to try to let this run, but I want to play it safe. I don't want to be dumb. Maybe not 3 minutes left. I like Apple's strength, Microsoft's strength. Microsoft near new high a day again. If it could break new high a day, I will not scale out. It's not breaking new high a day. Oh, it's close. It's so close. Oh. Nope, it's having trouble. Gonna scale out of a contract, right. Oh no, it did make a new high a day. Stay a little patient. Got Microsoft new high a day. Yes, there it is. There it is. Come on, Apple pumping. I like that. Come on, break and fly. Just fly. Sort of want to cover half. There it is. Nice, nice, nice. I was so close, guys. So close to take profit. Oh, man. No way. You guys see how close that is? It's gotta hit it. It's gotta go to it.
Taking now, man. We're in a block order right there.
Boom. Let's go. Huge, huge trade, guys. And we're gonna keep going. Let's see. I'm gonna look to get out of all my contracts. Give me one more push higher and I'm out. There it is. I'm all out. Huge. Great. Oh, man. Good stuff. That was a really good trade. Where we catch that? We caught that in here, guys. Why? Because of the hourly. Good stuff.
All right, I'm out of here, guys. Have a good weekend.
Yo.
All the best in the market.
Have a good weekend, Brody.
Take care.
Take care.
Have a good weekend.
Yo, shout out Equities for telling me when to buy and sell NASDAQ. Yo, it's still going. Oh my goodness.
That's an attempt to get to yesterday's open.
So clean. See, guys, I was saying
There
down
you
here,
go.
I was saying
We're
supports.
hit.
Oh my goodness, it's still going.
We hit yesterday's open on the RTH right now.
I really want to get back in this and play this longer, but I just...
And blasted right through it.
That's crazy. That was so clean. Alright, YouTube, everybody, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Appreciate you all for tuning in. Guys, check out Microsoft. This is what I was watching before. It broke this 365.50 and started pumping, and that's how we caught that big move. Meta was already pumping. Apple was staying green. Tesla, we saw this big wick candle. I said watch for a reversal. A lot of trap sellers there, and we did. Really good stuff, guys. Awesome. Good job. Damn, NASDAQ's still going. All right.
Yeah.
For YouTube, though, I'm going to wrap it up there. YouTube, appreciate you all. Hit that like button. Make sure you join our community at bullishbears.com and you click join. We have a Discord community. We have a live stream every morning. And yeah, it's a good place to learn. Very educational. Good stuff. All right, take care, everybody.